Hey guys, this is Aidan Corkery, and thank you very much for checking out the demo video of the Viraloop AI system. This is going to be a quick demo video, guys, just to show you how super simple it is to use Viraloop AI once you have everything set up. All you're going to really need is this form page. You're going to need the product to promote, and that's pretty much it. The whole automation is going to create your talking viral avatar for you, and it'll also generate a social media post. Everything's going to be sent to your Gmail, as you're going to see in this demonstration. So again, this will work for any affiliate platform that you're using as an affiliate. I'm just going to pop over here to Warrior Plus here just to grab a sales page link, and I'm going to grab the top selling product of the day, which is Traffic Wave Generator 2. I'm going to click that. We are going to grab the sales page link at the top in the URL browser. We're going to pop over to our Viraloop AI form, and we are just going to paste it in here to where it says sales page link or affiliate link. So pop in the sales page link. Then all you do next is choose your avatar style. So I'm going to scroll down here and choose the newsreader Yeti option, and then choose our background setting. Go down here to, I'm going to choose the Ice Crystal Newsroom. And all we do then, guys, is hit this button submit. Once I do that, the automation is going to take over. The AI takes over and does all of the hard work for us. So I'm going to click the submit button. The Viraloop AI system has now been triggered. It's going to work in the background for us. And essentially what it is now doing, the first part of the automation is scraping the sales page here to find out what this product is actually about, what it's actually doing. And it's then going to first then send us a email straight into our Gmail account about what this product actually is, what it does, and we can then copy and paste and use that then for our social media posts. So I'm just going to pop back over here. We will just wait, just refresh it here. And we click here, see here our social media post is ready. So let's open this up, and you can see here the copy is already done for us. Bleary-eyed at 117. Why does Pinterest feel harder than calculus? So there's a bit of a story here, a hook, and that's when I stumbled into Traffic Wave Generator 2.0. It's the only tool that's won deal of the day, not once but twice. So you can use this as an email, guys, as a social media post to go with your avatar video. But again, this has pretty much been sent to us in just a couple of seconds after pressing the button. So already this has been sent to us, and we just copy and paste that and send it in an email. We even have hashtags here that we can use in our social media posts as well. So the bot has done, the automation has done its job. It scraped the sales page here, and now what it's doing is now moving on to making our talking head avatar to link up with the social media posts here that we have. Now you can expect to wait up to 10 to 12 minutes for the automation to render and the video to render, and then that will be sent straight to your Gmail as well. So I'm going to pause the video here, guys. I'm not going to expect you to wait here 10 to 12 minutes with me, so I'm just going to pause the video here, and then I'll show you once the talking avatar has been sent to our Gmail as well. So all you have to do, guys, go is grab a coffee, come back in 10 minutes time, and your talking avatar will be delivered straight to your inbox. Okay, guys, so you can see here now the avatar video arrived. Yeah, roughly about 12 minutes later, it popped into our inbox here. So essentially what I can do then is just open it up. It just says allow time for your video to process. You can check it here in your Google Drive, or you can even just download it straight onto your desktop if you don't want to wait for it to render on Google Drive. So I'm just going to download it very quickly here. I'm going to open it up just to check out how it turned out. So I'm just going to open it up here. Click the play button here. Sorry, my laptop's being a little bit slow.
You will not believe what I just found. For months, I kept getting nowhere trying to earn online. $0. Tons of frustration. Nothing worked. But then I stumbled on something called Traffic Wave Generator 2.0. It is this first of its kind one-click Pinterest software, and actually won deal of the day not once, but twice. That is when I finally started seeing real traffic and engagement, and everything changed for me. I heard access might close soon, so do not sleep on this. Check the link in my bio if you want a shot at turning things around too.
Okay, guys, so you see there's about 40 seconds long. It's telling us the name of the product. It's got deal of the day twice. It's referencing that it's a Pinterest product. So it has successfully created our done for you avatar video. So that is pretty much all you have to do, guys. You saw it there from start to finish. You literally grab the sales page link like we did from Traffic Wave Generator here. We popped it into our form and we got everything delivered straight to our inbox, our social media posts and our avatar video that we downloaded onto our desktop. So that is the power of the Viral Loop AI system, guys. These are not complicated. So if you've never done this before, guys, I hope that just shows how super easy it is to use Viral Loop AI. And yeah, definitely take action. Pick it up now for the cheapest price possible. And myself and Demetrius will see you on the inside.